How to fix WhatsApp not opening. Hello everyone, in this video I will share with you the solution of this problem on your WhatsApp, so just watch this video till the end. So let's start. Now and first you have to open the settings of your phone. After this, what you should do, go directly to apps or applications. Here, as you can see, we'll find all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search only for WhatsApp. As you see, I found WhatsApp here. Now I will go to storage, and on storage I will go to the last button, clear data, and click on it. Then I will go to clear cache and click on it, and then I will go back and click on force stop, and I will click OK, and then I will go to Play Store and update my WhatsApp. After this, don't forget the last step is to restarting your phone, and after this open your WhatsApp, click on it, and you will see that it will open without any problem. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.